Today, I'll be sharing 5 essential mastering tips that I wish I had learned earlier. Always listen to your track on multiple playback systems. You might think your track sounds perfect on your studio monitors, but it can sound completely different on a phone, car speakers, or even your laptop. This is crucial because it ensures that your mastering translates well across all platforms. Pay attention to your dynamic range. While it can be tempting to compress everything to get it loud, preserving some dynamics will make your track feel full and alive. Mastering is about balancing loudness and dynamics, so don't be afraid to let some part breathe. Tip number 3, always use reference tracks. Find songs that you admire and use them to compare your mastering job. This will help identify any differences in loudness, tonal balance, and more. Listening to a well-mastered track gives you a clear goal and helps guide your decisions. Don't overdo loudness. In the age of streaming, there's a lot of pressure to make your track louder. By pushing your levels too far, you risk losing clarity and detail in your sound. Instead, aim for a competitive level without compromising quality. Use tools like LUFS meter to find a sweet spot. Tip 5. Don't forget to take breaks. Your ears become fatigued, leading to poor decisions. Stepping away a bit helps reset your ears and gives you a fresh perspective when you return. Remember, mastering is much about your ears as it is about the tools. Alright, those are my top 5 mastering tips that I wish I had learned earlier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Share your own experiences or any tips you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Catch you next time.